Hello, today I'm going to show you how to do a regular tulip, just like this one. Like this. With a bit. First what we're going to do is we're going to have two construction papers and one pair of scissors. Whatever. First we're going to fold the triangle on both of the construction papers. Just like this. And you're gonna get them both, put them right here, and you're gonna cut the size you want your flower. Just like this. Now what you do is you get both, and with one of them, with this one, you're gonna fold it to the side, and then turn it around. You're gonna cut this leftover piece so it could be a perfect triangle. Like this. Now you open it up and you see the line. You're gonna get this piece and put it to the line. Just like this. You do that in both sides. Just like this. Like this. Now with the base. With the base you have like that. And again, you go to the side. Now you see, and you cut the leftover so it could be a perfect triangle. There you go. Now you open it up and fold up to here. And it looks just like this. Now you open it up and you turn it around. Now what you do is you put it like this. Now what you do is turn it around. And work carefully. With the liner, you fold it back and put it in. Not over here, right here in the line. Okay, and this one too. You fold it back in the line, and then you put it in. Just like this. Now you repeat that. Right here, back, back, and then there. Now you turn, and you put this little piece back. You get your flower and put it in. So that's how to make a tulip. You can use this one for Christmas. Thanks for watching.